Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open DaVinci Resolve and go directly to the color page with your clip selected. Create one serial node and reset any prior corrections before you begin. Turn on waveform, parade, and vector scope to monitor exposure and color precisely. Set your timeline to the clip frame rate, for example 23, 98 FPS, and choose a 1920x1080 proxy if needed. Keep playback at real time to judge changes. Use the viewer to compare before and after with the split-screen control. Start primary corrections with lift for shadows, gamma for mids, and gain for highlights. Make conservative exposure moves, roughly one-stop increments, and recheck the waveform. Balance white by adjusting temperature and tint until skin sits on the vector scope skin line. Increase saturation slowly and monitor parade to keep highlights under 100 IRE and preserve detail. Use contrast and pivot to shape midtone separation without clipping. Apply a gentle highlight roll using log controls if needed for extra headroom. Use a new serial node for any secondary work like qualifiers or power windows around subjects. Track the window or qualifier so corrections follow motion accurately across the clip. Apply temporal noise reduction before strong color pushes to avoid artifacting. If using LUTs, apply them on an output node and toggle to compare. For delivery, render as 10-bit where possible, choose DNxHR or H264 depending on requirements, and match the original resolution and frame rate for best quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.